आम्ही एंथनी डिसिल्वा फ्रॉम आसोलना आमलेली 100 महिने पहिले एक जजमेंट दिलेले एडिशनल डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ ASI आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया स्ट्रक्चर एट ओल्ड गोवा which was found to be illegal was found to be in the protected area should be removed from there. पण आज पत्ते झाला दुःख झाला हायकोर्टात एक जजमेंट दिले that the judgment given by the ASI is to be quashed. म्हणजे ते भायर उडोवपाचे. And reason कितें? Principle of natural justice was not followed. This is where we have landed in the judgments today. And I always believed orders given by any courts need not be justice done. Sometimes the orders given are so unjust based on the letter and spirit of the law books. Sometimes even criminals are being let loose and innocent are being put in behind bars for years together. Why? It's just because of the law books. Where is the application of mind for us? That bungalow is totally illegal, confirmed it is. A small hut was replaced with a photograph of a big house. All these things the judges know. Still, looks like the people are finding loopholes to let this bungalow to continue there. By doing this, what will happen? It's a shame on India that we cannot even protect the sanctity of a religious place. We cannot even protect the protected areas of the ASI. It will send a wrong message. It will send a wrong precedent. Tomorrow, a lot of other places, they will attach these judgments over there. And they will get scot-free. But not done. We will go till the end of this road. We'll go till the Supreme Court's last hammer is fallen on this illegal bungalow at Old Goa. It will. This bungalow has to get demolished. It will get demolished. But it is very saddening to see judgments coming out like this. On whose behest? Who are the people controlling all these things behind the scenes? Whom are the people being protected? If natural justice is not done, maybe another order could have been given to follow the natural justice instead of giving clean chits to such people. Dev Bara Kuru. Thank you very much.